first function into integral of second function minus integration of integral of second function into differentiation of first function. Integration of x sin x. Again, this is also by integration by parts. What is the formula? iLearn formula, I-L-A-T-E. Since it is algebraic and logarithmic function, so first consider logarithmic function as the first function and algebraic function as the second function. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram, PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss very important 3-marker question. So that is integration by the method of partial fractions. Another one is by integration by the method of parts, integration by parts and integration by partial fractions. So these two concepts are very important for the point of examinations. So you will get one 3-mark question from this. Now straight away move to the first problem, integration by the method of partial fractions. Evaluate 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. Now let us resolve this into partial fraction. Let 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 can be written as a by first factor, that is x minus 1, plus b by second factor, x plus 2. Let us represent this as equation number 1. So what happens if we take LCM and simplify? 4x plus 5 is equal to cross multiply a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 5 is equal to a into 1 plus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0 gets cancelled. 9 is equal to 3a. Therefore, a is equal to 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. Value of a is 3. Similarly, put x is equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 2, what you will get? 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 plus 5 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, this gets cancelled, plus b into minus 2 minus 1, a gets cancelled. Minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3 is equal to minus 3b, minus minus gets cancelled, 3 and 3 also gets cancelled, b is equal to 1. Now substitute here in equation number 1, put a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. So the given equation becomes, given equation, that is 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, that is from equation number 1, equation 1, what is a? A is 3 divided by x minus 1, and what is b? B is equal to plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Now integrating on both sides, if you integrate 4x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 dx is equal to, you can take 3 out, integral of 1 over x minus 1 dx plus integration of 1 over x plus 2 dx. So this is equal to 3 into integration of 1 over x minus 1 is log x minus 1 plus integration of 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. So the integrated answer is 3 log x minus 3 plus log of x plus 2 plus c is the integrated answer. If you want, you can also write log of x minus 3 whole cube plus log of x plus 2 plus c. Okay. So this is very important for 3 marks. Now move on to the next problem. So this is integration by the methods of parts. X square log x. So for integration by parts, this is very important. iLearn, I-L-A-T-E. So inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function. So now here, since it is algebraic and logarithmic function, so first consider logarithmic function as the first function and algebraic function as the second function. Okay. Now here you can write u is equal to log x, the first function, and the second function dv is equal to x square dx. Now differentiate the first function. Differentiate this, integrate this. So integrating. So if you differentiate, du by dx is equal to differentiation of log x is 1, du by dx is equal to 1 over x, cross multiplied, x du is equal to dx. Now integrate it. Integral of v dv is v, integral of x square is x cube by 3. Now what is the formula? This is the formula uv minus integral v du. So integration by parts formula is uv minus integral v du. That is first function into integral of second function minus integration of second function into differentiation of first function. Now what is u? U is equal to log x into v. What is v? X cube by 3 minus integration of v. V is x cube by 3 into du. What is du? So du is equal to 1 over x dx. We can write du is also equal to 1 over x dx as it is. So 1 over x dx. Now cancel that terms. This is x cube by 3 log x minus once x gets cancelled, x square by 3 dx. Now this can be written as x cube by 3 log x minus 1 over 3 into integral of x square is x to the power of 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3 plus c. Or if you want, you can also write like this. This is equal to integral of x square log x dx is x cube by 3 log x minus x cube divided by 3 3s are 9 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. So first just apply iLearn rule. Suppose if it is logarithmic and algebraic function means first consider logarithmic as first function and algebraic function as the second function according to this iLearn rule. That is inverse function, logarithmic function, algebraic function, trigonometric function and exponential functions. Now move on to the next problem. This is also very important. Integration of x sin x. Again this is also by integration by parts. What is the formula? iLearn formula I-L-A-T-E. So here algebraic and trigonometric function is given. Consider algebraic as first function and trigonometric function as the second function. Now here let us take u is equal to x and dv is equal to sin x dx. Now differentiate this. du is equal to dx. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. Now what is the formula? Just apply uv minus vd. Integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. So uv x into minus cos x minus integral of v is minus cos x into du is dx minus x cos x minus into minus plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So minus x cos x minus into minus plus integration of cos x is sin x plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Now this is again by the method of substitution. Very simple problem. Now what is given? Integrate 1 plus e power x divided by x plus e to the power of x whole raised to 5. Very simple problem. Put t is equal to x plus e power x. Now if you differentiate it, dt by dx is equal to differentiation of x is 1. In differentiation of e power x is e power x. So therefore dt is equal to 1 plus e power x into dx. So the given integral becomes, this given integral is equal to integral 1 plus e power x dx is nothing but dt divided by x plus e power x is t to the power of 5. So this is 1 over t raised to 5 dt. This can be taken to the numerator and it becomes t raised to minus 5. Integral of t raised to minus 5 plus 1 divided by minus 5 plus 1 plus c. Integral of t to the power of minus 5 is minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus c, or bring this to the denominator minus 1 over 4 into t to the power of 4 plus c, that's equal to minus 1 over 4 into, substitute t, what is t? X plus e power x whole raised to 4 plus c is the integrated answer. So the answer is minus 1 over 4 times x plus e power x to the power of 4 plus c is the integrated answer. Hope you followed. Okay. Move on to the next problem. Again these are all from a previous year question paper. So again this is by integration by parts, x log x. Now you can take logarithmic and algebraic function are there. So you can consider log x as the first function, x as the second function. So u is equal to log x and dv is equal to x dx. Now differentiate it. du is equal to differentiation of log x is 1 over x dx. Integration of dv is v. Integration of x is x square by 2. Now what is the formula? uv minus v du. uv minus integral v du. So uv is log x into x square by 2 minus integral v x square by 2 into du is 1 over x into dx. Now this can be written as log x into x square by 2 minus, you can take 1 over 2 out, integral on x and x gets cancelled, x dx. X square divided by x means when x and x gets cancelled, we have only 1x. So this is log of x into x square by 2 minus 1 over 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. So therefore this can be written as log x into x square by 2 minus x square divided by 4 plus c is the integrated also. That's it. Okay. Next problem. Integral of 1 plus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Now, so just make use of these two formulas, since there are so many formulas for cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay. Now just interchange this. 2 sin square x can also be written as 1 minus cos 2x. Similarly, we have one more formula. Cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. So therefore this given integral can be written as given integral 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x divided by 1 minus cos 2x is 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x dx. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos square by sin square is cot square x dx. So integral of cot square. So this can be written as cosecant square x minus 1 into dx. So integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Integration of dx is x plus c. So the answer is minus cot x minus x plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate, this is 1 marker or 2 marks question. Integrate cosecant x into cosecant x plus cot x dx. So this can be written as integral of cosecant into cosecant is cosecant square x plus cosecant x into cot x dx. So this can be written as integral of cosecant square x dx plus integral of cosecant x into cot x dx. So integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x and integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. That's it. So because differentiation of cot x is minus cosecant square and differentiation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. So the integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x and integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x. Now move on to the next problem. Integral of 1 by 1 plus cos x. Here just make use of this formula. 1 plus cos x is also equal to 2 cos square x by 2. This is the formula. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Now this can be written as integral 1 over 2 times cos square x by 2 into dx. So you can take 1 by 2 out. What is left over is 1 over cos square x by 2 into dx. So this can be written as 1 over 2 into integral 1 by cos. 1 by cos is nothing but secant square x by 2 into dx. So 1 over 2 into integral of secant square is tan x by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Now what happens? This 1 by 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to tan x by 2 plus c is the integrated answer. That's it. Okay. Just very simple. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. 1 by 2 out. 1 by cos square is secant square. Integral of secant square is tan x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. That is because integration of secant square ax. Integral of secant square ax dx is equal to tan ax by a plus c. What is a? A is 1 by 2. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Evaluate 1 over x into x plus 2. Again this is integration by the method of partial fraction. Now let us consider, let 1 over x into x plus 2 can be written as a by x plus b divided by x plus 2, equation number 1. So just we can write 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x by taking LCM and simplifying. Now put x is equal to, if you put x is equal to 0, then you will get 1 is equal to a into 0 plus 2 plus b into 0, b gets cancelled. 1 is equal to 2a, therefore a is equal to 1 by 2. Now put x is equal to minus 2. If you put x is equal to minus 2, then 1 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2. This a gets cancelled. 1 is equal to minus 2b. Therefore, b is equal to minus 1 by 2. Substitute here. Now, equation 1 becomes, what is equation 1? 1 over x into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus b by x plus 2. So, therefore, 1 over x into x plus 2 is equal to a. What is a? A is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by x plus b. What is b? B is equal to minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 2. Now, therefore, 1 over x into x plus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 over x minus 1 over 2 into 1 over x plus 2. Now, integrating on both sides. So, just put integration. This can also be written as 1 by 2 into integration of 1 over x is log x minus 1 over 2 into integration of 1 over x plus 2 is log x plus 2 plus c. So, you can take 1 by 2 common factor, 1 over 2 into log x minus log of x plus 2 plus c is the integrated answer. Or we can also write half of log m minus n is log m by n, log of x divided by x plus 2 plus c is the integrated answer. Okay. So, this is again 3-marker question. Now, move on to the last problem. So, x e power x, again integration by parts. So, here as you know, iLearn, I-L-A-T-E. So, here algebraic and exponential. You can take algebraic as first function, exponential as the second function. So, u is equal to x and dv is equal to e power x. Now, differentiate this. If you differentiate, du is equal to dx, integration of dv is v, integration of e power x is e power x. This is the formula uv minus integral v du. So, uv minus v du. What is u? U is x into e power x minus integral v. V is e power x into du is equal to dx. X into e power x minus integration of e power x is e power x plus c. So, if you want, you can stop here itself, or you can take e raised to x common factor, e power x into x minus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. So therefore, integration of x e power x is also equal to e to the power of x into x minus 1 plus c is the integrated answer. This is also very important for 3 marks. Hope you followed. So, these are few problems related to integration by the method of partial fractions and integration by the method of parts. Okay. So, you may expect one question for 3 marks from this type of concepts. Hope you followed. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.